Go.
Before we start this, I just want to say a shout out to all my family. Alright, now we're going to start this thing right here. You seen it live. You witnessed it right here, live in the studio. Here we go. Hold my hand, Lord, for my precious